Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm standing outside an Amazon warehouse, very excited, and guess what? My goods are actually in the warehouse behind me, and I've actually got another package right here to send off to Amazon, all right? So this is one of my products that I did what we call FBM, so fulfilled by merchant. I got it in, I wanted to prep it myself and actually make a few changes, and now I'm basically going to be sending it to the Amazon warehouse. Now behind me is where they'll store your goods. This is my good. I actually got goods over there stored in the warehouse, right? They've actually got a lot of my stock over in this warehouse right here, and guess what? They can store your products as well. So how it works basically is you send your product to the Amazon warehouse, they stock it, they ship it, they pack it. When orders come in, guess what? They'll send it directly to your customer. You are not, dealing with customers. You're not dealing with returns. If your customer hasn't received the package, they're not calling you at 3 o'clock in the morning going, "Hey man, where's my package?" Right? They don't do that, right? So Amazon basically takes care of all the customer service for you. All you need to do is send your goods to the Amazon warehouse, and that's it. That's essentially it. So guys, if you're looking to get something started on Amazon, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also we are doing a live webinar. So below this video there's a link. Give that link a click if you want to join us at one of our live webinars. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye bye for now.